Hi, welcome to my channel. Before we begin, I'd like to invite you to take a moment with me. This is not about being perfect at art, but about creating with intention, peace, and an open heart. Art has been part of my healing journey, and through it, I've learned that God can use simple materials to bring comfort, hope, and restoration. As we go through this activity together, allow yourself to slow down, breathe, and enjoy the process. In this video, I will first show you the materials we will be using, simple and easy to prepare. Then step by step, I will guide you through the creative process. Let this time be a moment of rest, reflection, and creativity. Whenever you're ready, let's begin. So here are the materials you will need: a regular ruler, a sheet of paper or a white paper or any drawing paper, and a micro pen. I'm using a regular micro pen with a 0.5 tip size, but you may use any pen you're comfortable with. For this type of drawing, the pen is usually thin, depending on the designs and patterns you'll be making. Thin pens are commonly used for these patterns to help emphasize the details and designs. So for the step 1, draw your framework. Begin with a ruler to draw straight lines in different directions, from edge to edge or across the page. Create unique shapes and spaces that will serve as the foundation of your design. So feel free to design your own frame as creatively as you wish. Now that you're done with your framework, start filling up those spaces with patterns. Inside each section, fill the spaces with your own repetitive line patterns. If you're new to this style or not sure where to start, you can look at the examples of my drawings in this book. At the end of the page, you'll also find a collection of suggested patterns to inspire you. It doesn't need to be perfect. As long as you're creating a repetitive line, drawings, or patterns, then you're doing it correctly. Feel free to recreate, combine, or transform them in your own way. The patterns in this piece reflect my emotions. It doesn't need to be complicated. Often, as I create, the patterns just flow. At the end, I discover a masterpiece. It's the same feeling I get when I find peace after going through so much pain. Seeing what I've created reminds me that I've made it through, and it leads me to thank God for the strength He gives me. And the last step, reflect and pray. Once your artwork is complete, there's a space in the book where you can write a title, a prayer, and a short reflection or quote that captures your thoughts, emotions, or gratitude for the day. Once again, thank you for watching and following the instructions. I hope it inspires you to create something unique. May this book encourage those who are struggling with health or emotions, giving you a way to reflect, heal, and experience the goodness of our Creator. As you create, enjoy the process, let your heart be filled with hope, and may your art bring peace, joy, and purpose.